Today I will introduce how to adjust the swashplate and pitch of FW450, or how to adjust after you replace the servo or servo arm. Here we have installed the servos. This is the servo wire. Right servo, left servo, back servo. This corresponds to the left servo. Then insert the wire into the flight control air interface and the yellow wire downward. After the insertion, supply power to the helicopter. Okay, let the helicopter stand still and don't move it. We didn't turn on the transmitter. If you turn on the transmitter, the mode switch must be in 3D mode. Connect the computer to the helicopter and click connection. After the connection, click the swashplate. Here is swashplate adjustment, and it is pitch swash adjustment. Click servo trims. All servos return to the middle. And we will hear the sound. We installed the servo arm horizontally. The arm and the servo are almost vertical. If there is any error, we adjust it on software. Install the screws. After installing the screws, we level the swashplate. The so-called swashplate leveling is when viewed from the side, the swashplate is parallel to the main shift seat, and it is also parallel from the front. Now from the front, the servo here seems to be a little higher. This is right servo. We put the right servo down in the software and make sure they are vertically horizontal. This looks basically horizontal. If you look at the side, the back servo is a little high. Put the back servo down or change the value here. OK, swashplate is adjusted successfully. Click OK. Next, adjust the pitch. Click 0 pitch. There's a tick mark on the rotor header. If there is no tick mark, you can use pitch gauge. Let's take tick mark as an example. The tick mark is aligned with tick mark in the middle, which is 0 pitch, and the tick mark on both sides represent the positive and the negative pitch. Let's put the 0 pitch progress bar to the top, and the tick mark can't touch the middle. How to solve it? Return this 0 pitch value to the middle. Let's go back to the swashplate leveling and add 50 to all the values here. Let's go back to 0 pitch and drag the progress bar of 0 pitch. The tick mark is aligned in the middle. Let's click the positive pitch. The positive pitch value is a little small. Let's add the positive pitch value up and parallel to the tick mark. Click the negative pitch. The negative pitch value is a little high. We increase the value and align it with the tick mark. Let's check zero pitch, positive pitch, and negative pitch are correct. We click Done. In this way, the whole adjustment is complete.